are the mid-rise elevators here at the Encore Resort in Las Vegas. Almost. Going down. You good?
Can you push?
Just pull it.
I'm afraid my fingers
Here, hold on.
will get stuck.
There. That was interesting. What floor are you going to?
8.
Here you go.
Thank you.
That was funny. She didn't block the sensor, she just stopped the hoistway doors that closed on her little clutch. Clutch, and that's what was holding the door. Just put a little pressure on it and it detached. Goes, and that'll be it.